Hey there, let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: when AI goes wrong. Don't get me wrong, AI is a powerful tool that can transform businesses, but like any tool, it needs to be used in the right way. Today, I'm sharing 3 real business horror stories where AI didn't deliver what was expected, and what you can learn to avoid making the same mistakes. First off, let's talk about a business that invested $30,000 in cutting-edge chatbot system. It was meant to streamline customer support and reduce wait times. The problem? They didn't have enough website traffic to justify it. Their chatbot was basically talking to crickets. The lesson here is simple. Make sure the foundation is in place first. If your business doesn't have enough customer activity, focus on lead generation or traffic building AI tools like Campaign or Google Ads AI before diving into customer service solutions. Next, a small retailer signed up for a fancy AI-driven marketing platform. It promised personalized email campaigns, predictive analytics, the whole works. Sounds amazing, right? Except it was so complicated to set up and run that they didn't have the time or expertise to use it properly. They spent thousands on a tool that only frustrated them. Takeaway? Start with simple, user-friendly tools. Platforms like MailChimp or Klaviyo are affordable and easy to use, and they can still deliver powerful results without a steep learning curve. Finally, a boutique retailer implemented an AI inventory management system. The problem? They didn't customize the settings properly. The system ordered way too much stock, tying up their cash flow and leaving them stuck with shelves of unsold items. Here's the fix. Take the time to set up AI tools properly and review their recommendations before committing. Tools like Zoho Inventory or Bright Pearl work wonders, but only when calibrated to your specific business needs. So there you have it. 3 AI horror stories that highlight the importance of strategy, simplicity, and setup. AI can be a game changer, but only if you use it thoughtfully and with a clear plan. What's one area of your business where you think AI could help, but also has you a little bit nervous? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And if you need any help with putting together your AI strategy, let me know.